Morning dear students, welcome to Pratibha Classroom, online classes for 10th class. In the part of real numbers, today we will do a problem in the exercise 1.1, third problem. Let's see the problem. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. Use Euclid division lemma to show that square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. Any positive integer, square of any positive integers means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. These are all positive integers. That means natural numbers. Natural numbers are positive integers. Let's see the square of any positive integer. Right? Positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are all positive integers. The square of the positive integers means 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 2 2s are 4. 3 square is equal to 3 3s are 9. 4 square or 4s are 16. 5 square or 5s are 25. So these are the squares of the positive integers. Squares of the positive integers. So the squares of the positive integers, if we divide these squares of positive integers by 3, how can we write this one? We can write as 3 into 0 plus 1. If the 3 is taken as divisor. Here 4, we can write the 4 as 3 ones are 3 plus 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And if we divide 9 by 3, 3 3s are 9 plus remainder 0. 4. If we divide the 16 by 3, how many times? 5 times of 350 plus 1. 25. 25. If we divide the 25 by 3, 3 into how many times? 8 3s are 24 plus 1. So squares of the positive integers when divided by 3, we can write this. We can write as like this: 3 into something, 3 into any number plus the remainder 1 or 0, either 1 or 0. That means in general we can write as the square of any positive integer. We can write as 3 into any number. Any number means we can write p plus 1 or 0 plus 0 or 1. That means 3p plus 0 or 3p plus 1. That means the square of any positive integer we can write as 3p or 3p plus 1. We can prove this by using Euclid division lemma. You know the Euclid division lemma. A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0 and is less than B. But to prove this by using Euclid division lemma, we need any positive integer. Let A be any positive integer. Let A be any positive integer. And 3 is taken as divisor. That means B is equal to 3 and B is equal to 3. So A, any positive integer, B is equal to 3. Now we can apply Euclid division lemma to this A, B. By applying Euclid division lemma. What is Euclid division lemma? A is equal to BQ plus R. A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is 0 is less than or equal to R and is less than B. Now just substitute A is A, that means that implies A is equal to BQ. B means we can substitute B value 3Q plus R, where R is 0 is less than or equal to R and is less than B means 3. Here R is in between 0 and 3 are equal to 0. That means the possible values of R from this condition, R is equal to 0 and less than 3. That means what are the possible values of R? The possible values of R are, what are the possible values? R equal to 0 and is less than 3. That means 1 is less than 3. Not so. And 2 but not 3 because R is less than 3. So these 3 are the possible values of R. Now we can substitute these 3 values in this form. In first case we can take this R is equal to 0 from case 1. If R is equal to 0, then what happened? Substitute R value in this. A is equal to, that means any positive integer is equal to 3Q plus 0. But we have to find the form of square of any positive integer, not only positive integer, square of any positive integer. That means we have to squaring on both sides. We need a square. Squaring on both sides. A square is equal to 3Q whole square. Is it right? 0. A square is equal to 3Q square means 3, the 3's are 9, Q square. That is equal to, we can write it as multiple of 3. Wait, 9 we can write 3 into 3. 3 into 3Q square. That means 3 into something here. 3 into 3Q square means we can write any number in this place. 3P. I can write P as 3Q square. That implies this is the form of multiple of 3. So A square we can write as 3P. And in the second case, if the R is 1, case 2. If R is equal to 2, so R is equal to 0, completed. R is equal to 1. So what is that? A is equal to 3Q plus R. A is equal to 3Q plus R is equal to 1. And as well as squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, A is equal to, A square is equal to squaring 3Q plus 1 whole square. Now expand this the a plus b whole square form. A square means 3q whole square, 3q whole square a square plus 2ab, 2 into a means 3q, b means 1, 2ab plus b square means 1 square, and 3q whole square means that these are 9q square, 9q square, 2 3s are 6q into 1, that means 6q, plus 1 square means 1. Now, can you write it as multiple of 3? Yes. Take 3 as common factor. In 9, 3 how many times? 3 times. You can write it 3q square. 3 into 3, 9, q square. And in 6, how many times? 3. 2 times. 2 3s are 6 into q. So, we can write it as multiple of 3 and plus 1. Now, we can write this as 3 into something, any factor. It is taken as single factor. That means it is taken as p plus 1. That means in this case, a square, we can write a square as 3 into p plus 1, where p is equal to this, where p is equal to 3q square plus 2q in this case. So in the first case, we can write the a as 3p. In the second case, we can write a square as 3p plus 1. Here a square 3p, here a square 3p plus 1. Now another possible value for r is 2. Case 3. If r is equal to 2, r is equal to 2, just substitute a is equal to 3q plus 2. Now, then squaring on both sides. That means a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. That is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Expansion of 3q plus 2 whole square. A square. That means 3q whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a. 3q into 2 plus b square means 2 square. That is equal to 3q whole square means 9q square plus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12q plus 2 2s are 4. Now we can write it as 9q square plus 12q plus, for convenience, I can write this 4 as 3 plus 1 to write the multiple of 3. So we can take the 3 as common factor in this 3 times. 3 of 3 into, here how many times? 3 times. 3q square. Here 3 or 4 times 4q plus here 1 time. So I can write these 3 terms as multiple of 3. 3 into something plus 1. Here I can write any variable in the place of this 3 into p in this case plus 1, where p is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. That is, in the third place, if r is equal to 2, we can write the a square as 3p plus 1. So in the three cases, in the first case, if r is equal to 0, we can write a square as 3p. In the second case, a square as 3p plus 1. In the third case also, a square as 3p plus 1. Therefore, from the three cases,